Analysis of tracking of project by earned value management method in high-rise building. Abstract earned value management is a project accomplishment approach that has been suitable for utilization in project management. Baseline plan can be calculated using EVM to check the progress of the project. EVM operation help in giving achievement standard to the assessment of evolution report of project, and it likewise go about as a command gadget to deal with budget and time. The present study deals with planning, scheduling and performance of project process. Along with it also discusses main parameters involving in the calculation of earned value analysis in cost and time management of civil construction project. The main objectives of manuscript is compare the project tracked by MSP and EVM with conventional tracking method using real-time case study of G+15-story building by MSP software. Keywords: EVM, tracking, MSP software, planning, scheduling. Introduction. Construction industry is an important industry at both the global level and national level. It is second largest sector in India. It provides huge employment to the people and plays very significant role in country economy. Project delay is most common problems in the construction industry. In growing countries, challenge overruns is a serious in which implementation of challenge faces many doubts. It outcomes in wastage of scarce resource of finance, delay in providing facilities, development, and to make costlier in construction. With globalization and technology determined economic growth all over the world, a scientific and systematic approach to project organization becomes imperative to make certain that project objectives are attained within the constraints of time and resources. EVM is the procedure of measuring presentation of project employment against a baseline plan. EVM application allows in offering overall performance preferred for the assessment of advancement report of project, and it also act as a manipulate tool to take care of time and cost schedule through responsibility described in OBS. It provide better performance picture of project and gives better forecast of the final completion cost. 2. Literature review. A.3 Variance approach for updating earned value management. The project management triad has scale, time, and cost. In this study, schedule variations and schedule performance indicators, in traditional dual variance management, EVM, were shown not for real-time performance indicators, and it is suggested that the physical body definitions as work variables, WV, and performance indicators be restored. It is found that the performance of the work may be equal to the performance of the same period before the scheduled project time in certain circumstances. However, the same is not always true, especially if the project is over. A performance measurement earned time, ETM, method is presented in the study, which can serve as an alternative to measuring project time upon completion. Finally, it is suggested that the independent performance measurement, WV, be added to EVM, and that a three-pronged approach be used to analyze work conditions, time, and costs in relation to a given project. B. Estimated cost at completion, integrating risk into earned value management. Earned value management, EVM, is the industry standard for monitoring the performance of ongoing projects. The operating basis is set in the planning phase to measure any time and cost errors during the project. Based on current progress, it is estimated when completed, EAC. Traditionally, EVM focuses exclusively on project planning, SPI, and cost, CPI, and does not address other important aspects of health and safety, stakeholder satisfaction, and quality. Despite its high volatility, EVM forecasts are still influenced by project risk and uncertainty, leading to a conflict between the results of the EAC obtained by standard formulas. In order to measure a better EAC, a framework is developed that incorporates various key performance indicators in the Risk Performance Indicator, RPI. Using SPI, CPI, and RPI, an integrated model is developed and several case studies are conducted to validate it. The findings show a better EAC compared to traditional methods. Introducing performance indicators to measure key project aspects will provide participants with a better monitoring and decision-making tool. C. Study of the stability of earned value management forecasting. In this paper, the authors focus on establishing mechanisms for predicting the value of earned value management, EVM. The contribution was tripled. First, a new condition for measuring stability that does not suffer as a result of a psychological malfunction that is historically used is proposed. Second, the stability of time and cost forecasting methods are compared using computerized tests on a variety of data sets. In all of these tests, predictive accuracy is also reported, which helps to trade between accuracy and stability. Finally, the demonstration shows that the mathematical strength of the novel can be applied to real worlds using two real projects. The results of these legal guarantees are found to be highly correlated with computer results. 3. Research methodology. 4. Prepare your paper before styling. A. Earned value analysis process. Value earn is a system management system that uses continuous activity to show what will happen in the future. EVA uses costs as a standard measure of project costs and schedule performance. Allows cost estimates by currency, hours, working days, or other similar item that can be used as the same amount of project-related amounts. EVA uses the following project parameters to evaluate project performance. Planned value. Earned value. Actual value. As mentioned, there are several ways to calculate the EV, PV, and AC of a work package in work. A comparison of those statistics can be used to identify performance and progress inadequate or sophisticated specific work packages. Project manager and team can expect supportive actions. Cost and schedule performance should be measured and evaluated with consistency and severity with the magnitude of the performance risk as required by project management. The analysis should be progressive and follow the principle of management by exception. The variance limit should be set at the planning stage and used to guide the examination of performance. B. Concepts and terminologies related to earned value management. Value management systems gives different variations that can be analyzed to provide the current status of the project, initiate corrective action, also predict future trends, measure planned value, PV, actual price, AC, and acquired value, EV. From the three measures, project performance indicators are formed. BCWS, PV, budgeted cost of work scheduled. It is the baseline for the analysis. Cumulated planned costs related to time of their incurrence. Figure 1 shows the graph of BCWS versus time. BCWP, EV, budgeted cost of work performed. It is a measure of physical progress of works expressed by cumulated planned cost of works actually done related to time. It is also called earned value, like the method it is used by. ACWP, AC, actual cost of work performed, accumulated amount payable for work done related to time. BAC, budget at completion, the total planned cost of the whole project. It equals BCWS at the planned finish. T, planned duration of the project. SV, schedule variance, FPV. A comparison of amount of work performed during a given period of time to what was scheduled to be performed. A negative variance means the project is behind schedule. CV, cost variance, FAC. A comparison of the budgeted cost of work performed with actual cost. A negative variance means the project is over budget. SPI, schedule performance index. If means project is behind schedule. CPI, cost performance index. If means project is over budget. CSI, cost schedule index. The further CSI is from 1.0, the less likely project recovery becomes. Estimate at completion. See case study. Table I. Case study information. Name of the project. Elixir Park. Client. Sachin Chinde, Kolhapur. Builder. Ajay Singh V. Desai, Builders and Developers, Kolhapur 416,004. Total duration. 1,400 day. Built-up area per floor. 643.82 square m equals 6,927.50 square foot. Rate per square foot. 28.50 per square foot. Start date. January 1, 2018. End date. October 29, 2021. V. Result and discussion. A. Conventional model results. 1. Earned value over time report. Value of cost forecasting parameters i.e. TCPI equals 1 and VAC equals 0, it interprets that the remaining work and money left from budget are in good coordination, and if it continues properly, then chances of budgeted timely completion are almost 100%. Value of schedule forecasting parameters i.e. TSPI equals 1.391, it interprets that the coordination between remaining work and the time left from scheduled time is highly lacking, and in order to bring it back on track, crew members have to work 139% more than normal 100%.